So, you're looking to buy Binance Coin or BNB on Trustwallet, but this shows up saying it's not available. Well, what do you do now? Don't worry, there are plenty of other ways to get your hands on this popular cryptocurrency. Consider this a first aid response when BNB is unavailable for purchase. My name is Daily, and in this video, I'll guide you through 3 ways to purchase BNB besides using Trustwallet. Welcome to CoinWire, covering cryptocurrencies guides, tips, reviews, and news. Alright, that's enough. Let's go. Option 1. Purchase BNB through your friends, trusted ones. The easiest way to get BNBs is to buy it from your close friends. If you have friends that are already invested in crypto, you can politely ask them to transfer some BNB to your wallet, and in exchange, you can pay them afterwards with fiat or real money. Remember to only do this with your friends and family members that you personally know and trust. Do not give money to strangers on the internet without any credibility or insurance. Option 2. Purchase through alternative providers. There are many providers that can sell you BNB like MoonPay, Mercurial, Binance Connect, and so on. So if your friends don't want to sell you BNB for some reason, or you just straight up have no friends, because let's face it, we don't. You can try buying BNB from these trusted and regulated providers. However, these alternatives may not be the best option as they charge customers up to a 5% transaction fee. Moreover, there are countries that are banned from using these providers. So remember to check their terms and regulations to learn more about them before proceeding and allowing the fee to strip off a significant chunk of your money and then lower your yields. Option 3. Purchase BNB through exchanges. Now, these following exchanges are centralized. You can look for top exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Remember to research thoroughly about these exchanges before deciding which one you want to buy from. For this video, I will use Binance because as of December 2022, the only man I trust is CZ. And besides, it's a lot easier and faster in my opinion. You can use both Binance web browser or mobile application to make the purchase, but since phones are more prominent than computers, I will show you how to purchase BNB on the Binance mobile app. Step 1. Download the app and sign up for a Binance account. Easy. Use your phone and download the app on either App Store or Google Play. After that, you would want to sign up or log in. If you do not have a Binance account, then we have an affiliate sign-up link you can use to get 10% off of all trading fees. Now that's a good deal. Once you're done signing up, it's time to log in and buy your BNB. Keep in mind that Binance is an exchange owned by private businesses that regulators govern in several nations, and as such, they are subject to local regulations. Other words, you need to KYC and stuff to purchase coins on Binance. Step 2. Buy BNB using Visa or MasterCard. On the homepage, click on Buy with USD and choose BNB. If you can't see it on your home screen, click on Search bar, type BNB, and under Buy and Deposits, click on Buy Crypto with USD. Either way, it should lead you to this same interface. I'm using USD to purchase BNB, but if you are not from the US, simply click on the USD symbol and search for your own country's currency. For the sake of this video, I will use USD. Another thing to keep in mind is that you have to buy a minimum of $15 and you can buy up to $12,000. Let's say you want to buy $100. It shows the BNB amount your $100 can buy. In this case, it's about 0.4 BNB. After that, click on Buy BNB. Here, it shows the exact BNB amount you would receive. Notice it's a bit lower because there is a fee applied. Finally, you need to fill in your card information and billing address to finalize the purchase. Step 3. Withdraw BNB and move to Trustwallet. Although you can store it on Binance Exchange, it would be best if you move it to your Trustwallet. Open your Trustwallet and copy your smart chain address. Like so. Then open Binance again. Click on Wallet, click Withdraw, and choose BNB. Pick Send via Crypto Network. Paste your Trustwallet address into Address, and then pick BEP20 and enter the desired BNB amount. Notice that you need to withdraw a minimum of 0.01 BNB. I want to transfer about 0.4 BNB, so I should be fine. Finally, click on withdraw, then confirm. Take note that you may also use MetaMask or any DeFi wallets in that matter instead of Trustwallet for storing BNB. And that's it. These are my takes on how to buy BNB when it's not available on Trustwallet. Have you got it? Don't worry. I'll leave our link to this article in the description below. Now, if you use other alternatives to buy BNB or other tokens instead of Trustwallet, then please leave a comment. Finally, we also have other kick-ass social channels like our official website CoinWire, our own Twitter for crypto and market news updates. The links to all of it is also down below. And that's it for your boy Daily. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in our next video very soon. Stay safe and take care.